Hey everybody, it's your girl, here with Myface Beauty and Stylist, and honey, I have something for you. They say a little bit of makeup can't fix your life, but it can definitely fix your confidence. And listen, that goes for everyone, okay? Makeup ain't just for the ladies anymore. Fellas, you can get your beat on too. Today we're about to dive into my absolute top makeup picks that will have you serving looks from sunrise to sunset. Now make sure you stick around until the very end, because I've got a special bonus tip that you won't want to miss. Trust me, you're going to want to add this one to your makeup routine. Okay, so first things first, we need to talk about primer. And let me tell you, this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, honey, it's a game changer. Like, literally. It's like that one friend who always shows up with a fully charged portable charger when your phone is about to die. This primer is about to become your new bestie. It smooths out your skin like nobody's business. And it's got this insta-blur technology that makes your pores disappear. It's like magic, but better. It creates a flawless canvas for your makeup. And you know what that means? Your foundation is going to glide on like butter on a hot summer day. Now let's talk foundation, honey. And listen, when it comes to foundation, we gotta have options, okay? We don't discriminate against any skin tone. And LA Girl Pro Matte HD Foundation, oh, she understands the assignment. It comes in a wide range of shades to match every beautiful complexion under the sun. It's lightweight, so it doesn't feel like you're wearing a mask, but it still gives you that full coverage beat that we all know and love. Plus, it's got skin-loving ingredients that hydrate and nourish your skin. So you're not just covering up imperfections, you're actually taking care of your skin at the same time. Like they always say, you've hit two birds with one stone. Well done, honey. Next up, we gotta banish those dark circles and imperfections. And for that, my go-to is the Passion Pro Total Cover Concealer. This baby is a lifesaver, especially after those late-night Netflix binges. It brightens up your under-eye area and conceals any blemishes without creasing or looking cakey. Plus, it gives you that gorgeous, radiant glow that just screams, I woke up like this. Well, technically you didn't, but your secret's safe with me. Now let's add some color to those cheeks, shall we? The Catrice Blush Affair. Cream and Powder Palette is the bomb.com. It's got this amazing dual texture, creamy and powder, so you can totally customize your look. Whether you want a natural flush or a more intense pop of color, this palette has got you covered. And the best part? It suits all skin tones. So, no matter what your shade is, you're gonna find a blush in here that makes you look like a glowing goddess. Listen, a good eyeliner can make or break your look. And let me tell you, the Revlon Colorstay eyeliner in black, it's a ride or die. This eyeliner is like that one friend who always shows up on time, never flakes, and always knows how to have a good time. It's got a super pigmented black formula that glides on smoothly and doesn't smudge, budge, or crease. Plus, it comes with a built-in sharpener, so you can always get that perfect, precise line. Whether you're going for a subtle wing or a dramatic cat eye, this eyeliner will help you slay all day long. Now let's talk about lashes, baby. The Deborah 24 or Instant Volume Mascara is my secret weapon for long, voluminous lashes that last all day and night. And when I say all day and night, I mean it. This mascara is waterproof, smudge-proof, and life-proof. It gives you that dramatic false lash effect without the hassle of actually applying falsies. Plus, it's clump-free, so you don't have to worry about your lashes looking spidery. For those days when you want a more natural, effortless look, the Palladio Cheek and Lip Tint is where it's at. This little gem is a 2-in-1 wonder. You can use it on your cheeks and your lips for a healthy, natural flush of color. Plus, it's super hydrating so it won't dry out your skin. It's perfect for everyday wear or for those no-makeup days. And last but not least, we need to lock in all that hard work, right? The Rimmel Lasting Finishing Fix and Go 2-in-1. Primer and setting spray is about to become your new secret weapon. You can use it as both a primer and a setting spray, so it's like getting two products for the price of one. It helps to blur out imperfections, control oil, and keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless all day long. So you can say goodbye to melting makeup and hello to a long-lasting, flawless finish. And there you have it, my loves, my top makeup picks to elevate your beauty game. Remember, makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty, not hiding it. So embrace your unique features, experiment with different looks, and most importantly, have fun with it. All of the products I mentioned are available on the Myface Beauty and Stylist online store, so be sure to check them out. Until next time, stay shining.